We sign various paper documents such as contracts and agreements, appointment letters, invoices, and basically anything which requires approvals and commitments. Consider how these documents get piled up in our offices, which creates hassles of storage and retrieval. Not to mention the operational costs associated with faxing, printing, scanning, and transporting these documents to recipients. With digital documents fast becoming the norm for conducting business in nearly every industry, the days of paper are clearly numbered. As a business, you want to deal with your documents faster, better, and more efficiently. Now, getting your documents signed could never have been simpler. emSigner helps you in this journey of creating a cloud-based paperless office. emSigner's built-in workflow helps you securely upload, sign, send, track the progress, and manage documents on the cloud with ease. And if someone forgets to sign, our system automatically sends them reminders. Also, sign your confidential documents from your computer without uploading, which doesn't leave any traces on servers, using emSigner's unique offline signing feature. Conduct business-critical transactions with confidence, knowing your documents are stored on cloud with secure document storage facility. Not only that, you can even categorize your documents on the cloud for easy and quick retrieval. Having said this, digital documents are subject to forgery, fraud, and theft. Wouldn't it be great to have the convenience without the risk? With emSigner, timestamp your documents, which secure your documents against forgery or backdating. emSigner eVault feature helps you to securely protect confidential documents from pilferage. emSigner helps businesses streamline processes, ensure document integrity, authenticity, legality, safety, and save money. With emSigner, you have a secure, trustworthy, legally binding, and smarter system in place to sign your documents digitally, and your endeavor for a greener and paperless office can be met. More importantly, save money, improve employee productivity, efficiency, fast-track results, and enhance relation with customers, vendors, and partners. So what are you waiting for? Reap the benefits of working in a secure, paper-free environment and subscribe to emSigner.com now.